Here we have a challenge lock called Ugly Baby. It has JG on the back, which I would assume is J. Gabriel. And this keyway looks like the Schlage, I believe it's the CL, which is the same shape as the Schlage C keyway, but it's wider. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, we'll give it a shot. And because that keyway is wider, this tension wrench, which is in 50 thou, should be still a little sloppy, yeah. I guess we'll go counterclockwise. And we'll do my favorite pick. And we'll start with light tension, just so I can touch the pins. I got something going on with pin 1. What was that? It's like still up there. I don't know, maybe I'm just going crazy. Just gotta make sure you get under the pins and not on the warding. You know what? I want something in 0.5 millimeter instead. Maybe I'll have a little easier time. Yeah, that feels better. Alright, what do we got? We'll click on 1. Work our way back. A little movement so far. Oh, keep that going. And if this is from J. Gabriel, I expect there to be some craziness in here. He's always making challenge locks with piston pins or pin and pins, rattlesnakes and such. Alright, we did get actually a decent falset so far, so let's go ahead and see what we got here. Oh, a little feedback on that. We'll let it counter rotate. Alright, back in the falset. Okay, now that one feels set or not ready for action. Whoa. Is that a pin back there? No way. I don't want to go too far and pick the back of the lock. Alright, let's see. We're in the good falset, so we'll just lighten up the tension. Let's see which pin is gonna talk to us. So this one? No. Okay, there's some in the back there. Yeah, alright, so we're gonna do that one. We'll let it counter rotate. Oh yeah, baby. It was that last one. Alright, so let's see. Yeah, that's open. Oh, a flathead. That is a sin. No, I'm joking. That's just fine. Oh, I wasn't ready for gutting. Apologies. Let's see if we can do this real quick so we can see what's in here. That was a fun one. Come on. I'm always up for a gutting disaster. I'll have to ask J. Gabriel if this was his creation. There's actually an envelope. I don't know if I mentioned this, but there's an envelope with the mummified key in there. And a note but the envelope says don't open unless you need to. Oh man, come on. Yeah, I'm not at my picking desk. My new desk, this is the old one, so most of my gear is in here, but we should be fine. I have this thing. All right, we'll grab a shim. Get that in there. All the way through. Beautiful. And what size is that? That looks like this. Yeah. Pins are up that way. So let's be smooth about it. All right. Oh, there are 7 pins. I was thinking, how far does this go? And yeah, it really does go to 7. Okay. If we can get these out. A little sticky. 1. Oh my gosh. 2. 3. Ooh. Torpedo. All right, we'll have to get a pick to convince some of these to come out. There's 4. 5 is also a torpedo. 6. Come on, baby. 6 is a little short standard. And 7, we'll put up top, is a torpedo. Whoa. Take a look at the core. Looks like some serrations and yeah, in the last one. Very cool. And we'll do a quick zoom up of the key pins so far. Very nice. All right, let's get these out real quick. Remove our shim. Or no, we'll leave it there. Here's this. We'll start from the front. Well, the shim's in the way. Come on. Just pluck that out. All right, we'll try and do this without a disaster. Hey, he's hiding in there. You doing, bro? This is 2 challenge locks in a row that I've gutted that have some kind of dead spring issue. The chamber is threaded though. I see a pin in there. We're just gonna move on. Just my luck. All right. Ooh. That was number 2. Will the spring come out? Nope. Carefully get number 3. Oh, it's something. Oh, okay. I thought it was something fancy. Okay, we got that spring out. What the? And 4 came out that way. Very nice. And for the last 3, let's go from this way. Carefully. Nice. That's 7. Let's bring ones out. Let's do, all right, 6 didn't want to come out, but here's 5. And will its spring come out? No. So pin 6 is still in there, as well as pin 1. So just my luck. I encountered the same exact issue with the FS lock I just picked. Oh, gave a little poke and it jumped up. Whoops. Where the... I believe it was this T-pin one that just flew out. I'll have to rewatch the footage and see. And then let's see if we can make this one jump out. All right, that one's gonna need a little... Oh, I see what's happening. Both of the chambers are sort of connected from perhaps the drilling of the threading. So here's chamber 7, and you see it's has a gap, and here's the pin, and it's just getting stuck there. Can we pop it out? All right, we'll have to go off camera and take a look at fixing this. But there's that spring. Those springs don't want to pop out. Could probably get them out now. Yeah. That was number 1. All right. Yeah, I'll get this all back together and in working order. All right, I was able to get the last pin out. It was this one here, pin number 6. And its spring is still stuck in there, as well as the spring from chamber 4. So I'm going to do what I can to get this back in working order. Hopefully it'll work out. All right, with the help of the instructions, I was able to get the pins all back in the correct order. And it's interesting because it looks like there should be varying springs and size alternating, but what I pulled out doesn't look like that at all. But yeah, these springs were just too small and beaten up too much. They were smashed and getting stuck inside of the chambers. It is not made by J. Gabriel, according to this, so sorry about that. It doesn't even show the user's name, it's just a Reddit handle. But we do have the key here, and there is the bidding. Look at that wave. So, moment of truth. Yes, very nice. All right, this will go back into circulation.